chapter-by-chapter summary of The Intelligence Trap by David Robson. The Intelligence Trap: Why Smart People Do Stupid Things and How to Make Wiser Decisions, 2019 by David Robson, explores why high intelligence does not always lead to good decision-making. He examines cognitive biases, reasoning flaws, and how people can develop greater wisdom. Chapter 1: The Curse of Intelligence. Robson introduces the concept of the intelligence trap, explaining how intelligent people can make remarkably poor decisions. He discusses examples of brilliant scientists, politicians, and professionals who fell victim to arrogance, overconfidence, and biases. Intelligence, he argues, does not guarantee rationality. Chapter 2: The Flaws in Smart Thinking. This chapter explains why intelligence does not necessarily prevent cognitive biases. Research shows that highly intelligent individuals can be more prone to confirmation bias, motivated reasoning, and belief perseverance. Their ability to rationalize arguments allows them to defend flawed beliefs rather than question them. Chapter 3: The Power of Overconfidence. Robson discusses the dangers of overconfidence, showing how smart people often overestimate their knowledge and abilities. This cognitive miserliness leads them to make quick judgments without fully analyzing situations. He provides real-world examples such as financial collapses and medical errors where overconfidence caused disastrous mistakes. Chapter 4: The Folly of Experts. This chapter explores why experts often make poor predictions. Studies show that specialists in fields like economics and politics frequently fail to foresee major events because they become too fixated on their own models and assumptions. Robson examines Philip Tetlock's research on expert forecasting and why generalist thinkers often outperform specialists. Chapter 5: The Intelligence-Wisdom Gap. Robson distinguishes intelligence from wisdom, arguing that wisdom involves humility, critical thinking, and open-mindedness. He highlights how emotional intelligence and cognitive reflection can help individuals avoid the intelligence trap. Chapter 6: Learning to Think More Rationally. This chapter presents practical methods for improving rational thinking. Techniques include actively questioning assumptions, considering alternative viewpoints, and using Bayesian reasoning to update beliefs based on new evidence. Chapter 7: The Role of Intellectual Humility. Robson stresses the importance of intellectual humility, acknowledging one's limitations and being open to correction. He argues that developing this mindset reduces errors in judgment and enhances decision-making. Chapter 8: How to Escape the Intelligence Trap. In the final chapter, Robson summarizes key lessons and provides strategies for avoiding the intelligence trap. These include fostering curiosity, resisting groupthink, and practicing slow thinking to make wiser decisions. Conclusion: Robson's book challenges the assumption that intelligence alone leads to good judgment. Instead, wisdom, humility, and critical thinking are essential for making better decisions and avoiding the pitfalls of the intelligence trap.
Just a quick reminder to let you know to keep the donations coming because I have to go for follow-up appointments weekly at the IOR Center, and each appointment costs 140 ringgit. So 4 times a month is 140 times 4, that's 560 a month. So anything you can donate to help me out would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.